Hi, so chiropractic, we always say it's made of three parts. It's an art and science and philosophy. So the philosophy of chiropractic is that we should be able to help the body heal itself. The body has a natural ability to heal, and the chiropractor is the one who will help the body to get on the good way to heal. The science is basically what tells us when to adjust and when not to adjust, and what the patient needs to heal. And then the most important maybe is the art of the chiropractic. The art of chiropractic is how to adjust properly, choose the right vertebra to adjust, and give the proper manipulation for that vertebra. So it's a really precise move. Chiropractic adjustment is not just cracking the bones, is adjusting the bone, putting them in the right position. And so we are going to talk a little bit about that position. We know that each cervical vertebra has 4 posterior facet joints, 2 with the superior vertebra and 2 with the inferior vertebra. Okay, and so each of these facet joints has a different orientation, and the motion of the lower vertebrae is different than the motion of the upper vertebra. If someone just turn your neck and do a really fast move like they used to do, like in the massage parlor, like this, they will most likely make the cracking noise at the C5, C6 area. That is already moving too much, and it's where most of the people have degeneration. What the chiropractor is trying to do is looking for the hypomobile vertebra and give it motion. And it's much more difficult. So when you are cracking your neck or someone else not trained is cracking your neck, it's probably making more bad things than good things. So now, if I want to adjust, let's say C1 vertebra, okay? So C1 vertebra has these 2 condyles with the occiput. So what I'm going to do now is trying to go really backward for this one.